So, coming up next on the list, the second invitee for the day is Harini Banwari. So, just a month ago, she has published her first book, Connections and Conversations. It's all about life. Life में क्या होता है, how to handle up with life, and the different lines that she has written about life and all the things that happen around the life, which is really worth reading. Bringing her now on the stage to share her story. On to you, Harini.
So, hello everyone. I'm here to talk about my book Connections and Conversations. So, it started around 2 years ago. Like कॉलेज में जब भी मैं फ्री होती थी या कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो एंड आपको एक सडन रियलाइजेशन होता है कि ओ ऐसा भी हो सकता है या फिर मेरे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम थी कब से मैं सोच रही थी एंड यू टॉक टू समवन एंड यू गेट अ सोल्यूशन. So the book is all about that. It ranges from various subjects such as beauty, insecurities, friendship, love, self-esteem. Like जो भी इंसान के लाइफ में different phases होते हैं and different problems होती है. So it features all of that. And the name I have chosen Connections and Conversations because I feel in today's world connections are rare. Like Facebook पे या Instagram, Twitter पे connect होना बहुत आसान है. But real life में connections are rare and conversations because conversations are what makes us like human. So that's the reason I have chosen the name. And I would like to read out a couple of writings from my book. So one of my favorite
Sure.
ones, yeah, one of my favorite ones I am sharing right now. Sunsets are beautiful, but so are fairy lights, also butterflies. The thing is, beauty of one object does not affect someone else's authenticity. And the same goes for humans as well. Like इस कोट में मैंने ये कहने की कोशिश की है कि sometimes we feel that people are better than us, like maybe because someone is funny or maybe because someone is intelligent in one aspect. But I think sunsets are beautiful, and the same way fairy lights are also beautiful, and same way grass is also beautiful. So all of us are beautiful, talented, energetic in different ways. So we must not compare. Instead of that, we should be happy with what we have in within. And just like this, I have written many quotes on different aspects of life and poetry, small write ups. And this book is not a book, it's a friend because whenever I used to feel low, alone, or happy, like not just negative emotions, negative, positive, both. Whatever I felt, I poured it out into this book. So, this book is like a handy dictionary. Whenever you need some answer in life or you need a friend to rely upon, you can open this book and read. And that's all.
Okay, Harini. Now we shall begin with Q&A sessions, which for a writer is going to be quite long.
Right.
So before beginning with the questions I've received from Instagram, any question the live audience would like to ask?
बुक कितने टाइम में कंप्लीट की तुमने?
So I think like I did not measure it because it was more like कॉलेज में मैं ये मोस्टली बुक मैंने कॉलेज में लिखी है. So it's like मैं कभी भी अकेली होती थी या फिर कभी किसी से अच्छी बात हो गई तो लिख दिया. So it's not a very timely period पे नहीं था, but I would say it took me 1 year to write it, and there were so many items I did not include in it. But like writing for me is an everyday practice. मैं हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ तो लिखती हूँ. So yeah.
Harini, there's a question, where to find your book?
Okay, so you can find my book on Amazon and you can order it from there.
What's the price?
The price of the book is 200 rupees,
199.
199.
Okay, I think we have one more question in the chat box. To whom did you dedicate this book?
Okay, very interesting question. So I dedicate this book to my 9-year-old self because अगर ये सब मुझे पहले पता होता लाइफ में, so maybe I would have been a different person. My growth and evolution would have been different. So मेरे book की starting में भी लिखा है, this one is dedicated to the 9-year-old me. So I dedicate this book to my small version of me, जिसको like अगर ये book पहले मिली होती तो मैं अलग different इंसान होती. So this is like a learning book for me.
So everyone has an opportunity to become a different person after reading your book,
Yes,
right?
that's its charm. Like I can guarantee you, if not everything, there will be 3 or 4 pages that will strike you and it will change the way you look at life. That much I can guarantee as an author.
Can you tell us any quote about knowledge?
Um, I have written a quote about knowledge in it, but I don't remember it as of now.
You can refer it.
I can refer it, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Till the time she is finding, I would like to say that there is no specific index of the book. There's no specific index of the book. Nothing is written like कि ये पेज पे ये चीज है. The book is has its own flow. वो खुद अपना फ्लो पकड़ती है और हर एक लाइन में कुछ ना कुछ लाइफ के बारे में नया पता चलता है.
Hmm. May I go?
Yeah,
Knowledge, getting to know a bit more about the world you live in. Also, knowledge, something that will help you survive in the world you live in. Lastly, knowledge, a foundation to creating the kind of world you want to live in. So, like, इसमें इसका, I will explain a bit more on this. Knowledge, getting to know a bit more about the world you live in. So, इसका मतलब ये है, like, I've always been interested in everything. So, कोई भी अगर म्यूजिक हो या फिर अगर आर्किटेक्चर हो या मेरी कोई भी फ्रेंड किसी भी चीज में हो, I always wanted to talk and know more about it. So that is knowledge. No matter what आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो, it gets you to know a bit more about the world you are living in. Knowledge, something that will help you survive in the world you live in. So I have seen that so many times. I watched random videos on the internet and conversations I had with a stranger, and वो चीजें मेरी answers होती थी question में. Like so many times it happens कि हम लोग कहीं से कोई चीज ले लेते हैं and वो कहीं और का आंसर हो जाती है. So that is also knowledge that helps you survive in the world you live in. And lastly, knowledge, a foundation to create the world you want to live in. So अभी आप जिस भी फील्ड में हो उसमें और क्रिएटिविटी और प्रोग्रेस की स्कोप है, बट यू नीड टू डिग डीपर टू फाइंड आउट आपको उस फील्ड में कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉलेज, एडिंग योर ओन क्रिएटिविटी, जो जिससे आपको जिस तरह की दुनिया चाहिए वो आप कर सको, एंड वो भी बहुत ही अंदर डिग करने से आता है. देयर इज सम नॉलेज विच इज अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब, अनदर इज क्रिएटिविटी जो आप खुद ढूंढ के करते हो. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉलेज. So that's what I wanted to say with this quote.
absolutely amazing. Now I would like to ask some questions that we have received from Instagram questions. From where did you get the idea to write this book?
So when I was writing it, I was not at all aware that it is going to be published as a book. Like really, I'm a huge introvert, so it's difficult for me to express my emotions to someone. So I was just having a notes pad in my mobile, and whenever I used to feel anything, might it be positive or negative, I used to share it through words. And like I would like to quote something. I don't know where I read this, but it was written that people write because nobody listens. So that is the reason I used to write, because I used to feel that no one will listen me as nicely as myself. So yeah, that there was no inspiration, it was just me venting out.
Great, great, awesome. This question is a bit personal, but yeah, it need to be asked. Who gets the opportunity to read your writings first?
Okay, so interesting question. So for a huge time, it used to be my best friend, but she and I have drifted apart now, so I'm not in contact with her. But I usually ask anyone, like मेरे को राइटिंग को मैं बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल वे में देखती हूँ. सो जिस भी इंसान से लाइक यू नो जो भी पहले ऑनलाइन हो, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू शेयर माई राइटिंग. सो जो भी पहले ऑनलाइन हो मैं उससे शेयर कर लेती हूँ. बट लाइक आई डोंट हैव एनी स्पेसिफिक पर्सन आई शेयर इट विद.
Okay, okay. Which area do you like to write about the most?
So I'm a psychology student. I love studying and observing humans. So most of my write-ups depict human nature and their reasons for doing so. So I think relationship dynamics and human emotions is what I like to focus upon. And throughout the book आप ऐसा बहुत देखेंगे कि ये राइट अप से आपको लगेगा आई रिलेट टू दिस, या फिर ऐसा भी मेरे साथ किसी ने ऐसा कुछ किया था. So the book in a word is humane. So that's my genre.
Okay. Another question that we have received from Instagram. Actually, the guy is actually in the meet. Ayush, would you like to unmute yourself and ask the question yourself?
Yes, okay. Actually, I have read your bio, and it is written that you generally don't know people, right? Like in short, you don't want to do hookups and all. Well, let's say you met someone and you don't want to meet in person, but your book is about connection and something, right? So, without meeting, do you think there is a connection between two people?
Okay, so for those people who don't know my bio, my Instagram bio is social vegan. I avoid meat. So this is my bio. It is a pun. Like vegan people don't eat meat, so I avoid meat. That's what it means. So what I mean by my bio is that I'm an introvert, and if I'm given the opportunity to meet new people or go to a party or listen to music or paint or cook, I would choose the latter. But that does not mean I don't have connections in my life and I don't crave for conversations. All humans are social beings, and psychologically, we need people to talk to and connect to. Like just like water and air, love is also a need. So that does not mean I don't crave for connection and conversations. I do, but it's a choice. Some people find more happiness with other people. Some people find it in within. So I enjoy my company more than anyone else, but that does not mean that I don't like meeting other people. I love meeting new people. But if given the choice, at the end of the day, अगर मुझे पार्टी में जाना हो या घर पे बैठ के बुक रीड करनी हो तो मैं बुक रीड करूंगी. So that just depicts that. It does not mean कि मैं नए लोगों से मिलना पसंद ही नहीं करती. ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah. It is not
Okay.
about partying and all. It's only about your books tells about connection and conversation. And through call or chats, वो सब नहीं होता है. It just you have to meet people, see their body languages or the way you are connected. So I just feel like your book is telling some other thing and your bio is telling some other thing. Means in short, you are a different kind of person and book is about different kind of things. So is it related to you or not?
It is related to me. So I agree to what you said कि text and call पे से connection नहीं मिलता, लोगों को मिलना पड़ता है. So see, I'm not saying मुझे लोगों से मिलना नहीं पसंद है. ये book अगर मैंने लिखी है, it is through observation of human beings. It is through talking to a lot of people. Like मैं हर write up से पहले मैं एक write up देख के बता सकती हूँ उस दिन मैंने किससे बात की थी या किसको observe किया था जिससे मेरे को वो idea आया. But my bio just means that अगर मेरे को 10 फ्री दिन है मेरे पास तो 10 में से मैं 5 या 7 फ्री दिन को मैं आई वुड लाइक टू यूटिलाइज इट विथ माय हॉबीज एंड बाकी 3 या 4 दिन में मैं बाहर जाऊंगी. सो यू कैन द नंबर ऑफ मीटिंग्स दैट इज नॉट डिसाइड द बॉन्ड. आई हैव कनेक्शंस बट मैं उनको महीने में 10 बार मिलने की जगह 2 बार मिलूंगी. And the quantity or the frequency of the meet does not determine how close or deep it is. So I would not say कि book is not me or book और मैं contradict कर रहे एक दूसरे को. The book is me in its purest form. Book reflects my thoughts, my innermost thoughts and basically my soul. So वो statement से मैं आपके agree नहीं करूंगी कि book मेरे को contradict कर रही है. Rather the book is a mirror of what my innermost thoughts are. It's just that मेरे को इतने social outgoing social meets पे जाना नहीं पसंद है. That's it. That's all my bio means.
Great. No problem. Yeah.
Would love to.
Ayush, no
read
more
your book.
cross questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. Now you can
Okay,
say
I have
that you
I
would
have
like
one
to read the
question.
book. Yes.
Okay, so the book has word conversations in title. What do you think is the main rule or main point through which we can have good conversations?
Okay. So for me, according to me, the first thing is honesty. I think to have true conversations, you need to be honest about what you are feeling. Like कितनी बार हम कुछ चीजें बोलते नहीं है क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि मे बी दूसरा इंसान समझेगा नहीं, या हमें लगता है कि वो चीज इतनी अच्छी है ही नहीं, या फिर हमें लगता है कि मैं बोलूं कि नहीं बोलूं. Like we have so many inhibitions. So to have good connections and conversations, the first step is to be honest and to be yourself. We so many times think कि people हमें जज करेंगे या वो समझेंगे नहीं या इसको तो बात समझ आएगी नहीं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. We should be ourselves. Secondly, we should have empathy. We should understand the other person's perspective. Like so many times, like हम अपने everyone goes through life अपने तरीके से, तो हमारे opinions भी अपने होते हैं. So sometimes we don't agree with other people, and that comes in the way of having good conversations. So I think we should have an open mind and understand other person's perspective too. And thirdly, I think conversation में थोड़ा humor होना चाहिए because everyone needs laughter. So we should look at the funnier side of things. That's it.
Okay, great. One last question I would like to ask from the Instagram questions that we have received, because it's really too interesting. You said you like being alone. When given a choice, you would like to stay alone at your home, read a book. But people usually say that being alone leads them to overthinking. So what's your take on that?
Okay, so I agree to what you said. An empty mind is a devil's workshop. That's true. But thing is, जब इंसान अकेला होता है, उसके पास कुछ काम नहीं होता, तब वो ओवरथिंक करता है. But I am the kind of person who loves expression, who loves goals, and मेरे को बहुत एनर्जी पसंद है लाइफ में. मैं क्वारंटीन में मैंने हफ्ते में 3-4 बार तो खाना बना ही देती थी घर पे. So I don't overthink because मेरी hobbies है cooking, painting, reading books, and every day I want to be productive. So people who are productive will not overthink. People who are alone and who फालतू में बात का पतंगड़ बना रहा है या फिर ओवरथिंक कर रहे हैं, which is natural. I'm not demeaning them, but at one point you need to break that loop of overthinking and you need to start doing some work. So productivity kills overthinking. So that's the best solution for that.
Great answer. Before we end up your part, I would really like to show some light on the appreciation that you have received in the comment section. Ayush has written she was so clear about what she has written about the book. I mean, it's absolutely great. She will really go so far.
Thank you so much, Ayush.
So with this, we end up with the part of Harini.
मेरा भी एक
I
क्वेश्चन
would
है.
like to. No problem. One more question. Yes.
ठीक है, तो मुझे पूछना था कि बेसिकली हमें कह सकते हैं कि ये जो बुक है ये आपकी रिफ्लेक्शन है, बिकॉज आपने बताया कि जब भी आप फ्री होते थे तो आप वो लिखते थे, तो इसमें आपके थॉट्स, पर्सपेक्टिव, जो भी आपके लाइफ का देखने का नजरिया आपने इस पे लिखा होगा, तो उससे लोग रिलेट कैसे करेंगे, ये मेरा क्वेश्चन है. क्योंकि हर तो अलग होता है, सो इसलिए.
Okay, so good question. What I feel that there is this quote that we are in the same game, just at different levels. So I think हम सब एक ही जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. हम सब की प्रॉब्लम सेम ही होती है. But thing is, we don't share. And if we would share, we would understand that human beings are same. Like maybe नाम different होंगे, थोड़े details different होंगे. But सबके लाइफ में सेम ही प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. सबकी कुछ लोगों की फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, कुछ लव प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, सेल्फ एस्टीम प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, मे बी तुम्हारे इंसिडेंट्स डिफरेंट होंगे, नाम डिफरेंट होंगे, फ्रेंड का नाम डिफरेंट होगा, बट झगड़ा सेम चीजों पे ही होता है. सो इन द एंड ऑल ह्यूमंस आर सेम, एंड जो इंसान खुद को समझ गया वो पूरी दुनिया को समझ गया, ऐसा मैं मानती हूँ. बिकॉज इन द एंड वी ऑल रिलेट टू ईच अदर, एंड आई कैन गारंटी यू इफ यू रीड द बुक यू विल ऑल्सो रिलेट टू इट. बिकॉज इन द एंड ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितने सिनेरियोज हो सकते हैं. हम सब कॉलेज जाते हैं, हम सबका प्यार होता है, वही चीजें है ना. इंडियन और अलग है क्या?
Absolutely, yes.
कि अगर इंट्रोवर्ट है तो तुम इतने अच्छे से कैसे अपना को एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हो? मतलब
तूने अभी इतने अच्छे से खुद को कैसे एक्सप्रेस किया? तू भी इंट्रोवर्ट था.
इतना या फिर तुम लिख के सब कुछ एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, बट मेरे को पता नहीं कोई एक्सट्रोवर्ट भी इतना एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता है जितना तूने किया.
Okay, so first of all, thank you. I take that as a compliment. Secondly, ये मैंने साइकोलॉजी में पढ़ा भी है कि जो लोग इंट्रोवर्ट होते हैं वो अपने आप को ज्यादा अच्छे से जानते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपने साथ ज्यादा अकेले होते हैं, एंड दे थिंक ओवर देयर एक्शंस ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. सो बीइंग एन इंट्रोवर्ट, मेरे को सेल्फ एस्टीम इश्यूज रहे हैं थोड़े, बट आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन एक्सप्रेसिव. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई नो एक्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांट इन लाइफ. क्योंकि मैंने उस चीज के बारे में इतना सोचा है. सो अभी जो तुम सबने क्वेश्चंस पूछे वो मेरे दिमाग में भी आए हुए थे when I was writing the book. So that's the reason I know the answers, because I have thought about it before. And extroverts, like I'm not saying सारे, but extroverts इतना सोचते ही नहीं है, वो ज़्यादा बाहर होते हैं, they don't spend enough time with themselves. So maybe they are more confident, but it is introverts who are more expressive because they spend more time with themselves and hence they know themselves better. If that makes sense.
Great.
जो क्वेश्चन मैंने
Awesome.
पूछा ना, अगर मुझसे कोई पूछता ना तो मैं ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ उसको जवाब ना दे पाता मैं.
So with this, we end up part of Harini. Again, the picture is visible on your screen. The book Connection and Conversation is available on Amazon as well as Notion Press. The MRP of the book is 199 rupees, and if you want, Harini can also give you the signed copy of the book. Am I right, Harini?
Yes.
Especially for the people who attended Basque News session, Harini will surely give you a signed copy of her book. So with this, we end up part of Harini.